slow from the final drink. Someone is still here, somewhere within a breath, a picture, silent lightning on the horizon. Can rhythm save these frightened men? Can betrayal break them yet again? Between the moonbeams wide we run through the high nights, the high nights. No room too large, no sky too wide. Between the falling moonlight, the dark stands still. I watch it burn far from the fields, silent lightning where the daylight died. Can rhythm save these frightened men? Can betrayal break them yet again? Between the moonbeams wide we run through the high nights, the high nights. I listen hard for voices, silence rolling down the mountainside. Echoes without bodies through the high nights wide. Heart beating fast beneath the skin. There is no way back to who I've been. A man keeps walking forward through the ruins of himself. Can rhythm save these frightened men? Can betrayal break them yet again? Between the moonbeams wide we run through the high nights, the high nights. The night shuts every soul inside. It is time to meet yourself in flight, from betrayal to betrayal, over the corpse of the self.